So we have just got our delivery of our DeWalt concrete. So we've just got from the Bradstone points. They just had triple points on. So you get your points for your product that you order. And we have built up enough points to get ourselves a concrete saw. So let's have an unboxing, shall we? Now, I've been wanting one of these for ages, so it's nice to finally get one, and technically free as well. That's your instructions, and make sure you register it to get a 3-year guarantee. So we've got a fast charger with it as well, and in there 2 batteries as well. As standard, it comes with it. And there she is. Oh, it comes with a blade as well, even better. Oh, how beautiful she looks. All brand new, I'm sure I'll get her dirty. But yeah, that was all. So you got that, charger, and the 2 batteries which are in there. I'll get them out in a bit. All free with the Bradstone points we built up.